Hello everybody and welcome back. Let's do an unboxing. So, inside of this box should be a few Blue Dream shrimp and some cherries, if I'm correct. I think that's what I got. This was my first time trying out Christian Darr from the band app. Sorry the camera's all over. I think I paid $2 a piece or $3 a piece for the Blue Dream. And then I think he only charged like $1 for the cherries. Well packaged. We got filling, and then he's got them even wrapped with some paper. Oh yeah, look at those little dudes in there. Yeah, and they're definitely alive. That's awesome. I was worried about this. Took a minute to get shipped and get the tracking showing, but as soon as the tracking was showing, I was content. Said would be here Friday. Here it is Wednesday. I just figured I'd look outside and see, and there's said a box. So, Kristen, sorry if I'm murdering your name, buddy. Thank you so very much. You held up your end of the deal. Now I just gotta keep them alive.